Nice, beautiful, man. I'm chilling out in the Passat. I know you guys probably get tired of this video now. I'm trying to find a new car for the channel. Hopefully I'll find something soon. Yeah. Yeah, hopefully I'll find something soon though. You know, just chilling out looking for something. I want a new car for the channel. Keyless One Automotive. So guys, please remember there's older videos up there where you can subscribe, like and share to the channel. Keep the channel moving. I'm trying to get up to 500 subscribers. So, you know, just give me a little touch up on the button. You know, a lovely pretty button down there. Just subscribe, like and share to the channel. Keyless One Automotive. You know, I'm trying to get at least 500, right? So give me a like, a thumbs up. Let us some comments on the channel also. Tell me what you think about the videos I have up there. Tell me what I need to do to make some improvements. I'm chilling out in the old Passat here. I'm tired of this video. I know you guys tired of it too. I got more videos coming though, and the other old car. You know, but I'm trying to find another one right now for the channel. So please subscribe again, as I said, like and share and comment. Alright? And remember, tell your friends about the channel too, man. You know, I'm trying to make it better each day. Alright, Keyless One Automotive, and I'm out for a minute.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again. No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the gas, I wanna feel